In the fast-paced world of smartphone, innovation is the name of the game. OnePlus, known for its commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology, is back in the spotlight with its foldable phone, the OnePlus Open. Today, we'll take an in-depth first look at this much-anticipated device that promises to redefine the smartphone experience. But before that, if you are new here in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the design. The OnePlus Open foldable phone boasts a sleek and futuristic design. Its foldable screen feels incredibly premium, and when folded, it's quite compact and easily packetable. The aluminum frame provides durability, while the Gorilla Glass on the front and back adds that extra layer of protection, and it is IPX4 splash resistant. It's all about style and substance here. And here's the magic moment. Unfolding this device is smooth with a satisfying click. It's a 7.82-inch LTPO3 AMOLED flexi-flow display with ceramic guard that immediately grabs your attention with vibrant colors and sharp contrast. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a silky smooth experience, perfect for both productivity and entertainment. Now let's talk the cameras. The OnePlus Open foldable phone features a triple camera setup that includes a 48-megapixel primary camera, 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 64-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. The camera quality is impressive with sharp images and vibrant colors. Low-light performance is also commendable. You'll capture your moments in style, that's for sure. Under the hood, this foldable phone is a powerhouse. It's equipped with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, a 4nm processor, paired with 16GB of RAM and 512 of internal storage, ensuring a lightning-fast and seamless performance. Gaming, multitasking, and everything in between, it handles it all with ease. Oxygen OS 13.2 provides a clean, intuitive user experience, just like you'd expect from other OnePlus. Now, battery life is a crucial factor for any smartphones. It's a solid on the OnePlus Open foldable phone. The 4805 mAh battery keeps you going throughout the day, even with heavy usage. Fast charging supports with 67 watts and wireless charging supports means you won't be tethered to a charging for so long. OnePlus has always been known for its clean and bloat-free software experience. Oxygen OS 13.2 based on Android 13 on this foldable device is no different. It's intuitive and customizable, with updates promised for a good period, ensuring you stay up to date with the latest features and security patches. So, is the OnePlus Open foldable phone worth your hard-earned money? Well, if you are on the hunt for innovation, a unique form factor, and the power of a flagship device, then yes, it's definitely worth considering. It is a bold step towards the future of tech, and it is on our hands today. Alright guys, that's a wrap up for our OnePlus Open foldable phone review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.